Drone sightings, fact versus fiction. Have you noticed? Drones are buzzing above more often. From hobbyists capturing stunning aerial shots to companies revolutionizing delivery systems, drones are everywhere. Their growing presence might spark curiosity or a bit of paranoia, but how much do we really know about them? Mysterious drone sightings make headlines regularly. Unidentified machines in restricted airspace, or unusual flying patterns. Are they spies? Super drones? From an alien galaxy? And are they really emerging from deep within the ocean? Let's take a closer look. While drones amaze us, they're not invincible. Limited battery life, restricted range, and weather sensitivity are major hurdles. If you've ever lost a drone in a windstorm, you know what I'm talking about. These are rarely mentioned but crucial to understanding the actual capabilities of what we know about Earth-made drones. Can drones fly undetected or operate independently, carrying out complex missions? Not quite. They rely heavily on human control, for now. There are reports that recent drone sightings in New Jersey employ a stealth component and do not radiate a heat signature like other drones do, but this is still a developing story. Drones promise immense benefits, but responsibility and transparency are key, right? Do you agree? I don't know about you, but I think there are some exciting and promising use cases for drones in the near future, like same-day delivery no matter where you are. Imagine living on an island and still being able to receive an Amazon delivery. That'd be pretty sweet, right? Anyway, thanks for liking and subscribing to my channel, and please share this video if you enjoyed it.